Hello, today we will guide you through how to see charts on ThinkorSwim Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting from the app's home screen to a clear view of a stock or ETF chart as quickly and confidently as possible. If your app looks slightly different, that's usually due to version updates or your device's display settings, but the flow should be very similar. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim Mobile app on your device. Give it a moment to load so all market data can refresh properly. A strong internet connection helps charts populate faster and keeps prices up to date. If you are returning to the app after a while, you may see a brief syncing message. Just wait for that to finish before moving on. Next, look to the top right of the screen for the search icon, typically shown as a magnifying glass. Tap that to open the search field. This is where you can look up tradable instruments by their ticker symbol. The search area is designed to be quick and forgiving, but precise symbols usually produce the best results. In the search field, enter a sample symbol. A symbol, often called a ticker, is the short code that represents a security. For example, the short letter combination you see in quotes or financial news. As you type, you'll likely notice suggestions appear. These help you confirm you're selecting the intended listing. Choose the symbol that matches what you want to view. If you don't see what you expect, check for spelling, confirm the asset class you're searching for, and remember that some instruments have similar names across markets. After selecting the symbol, scroll down to view its chart. The app typically shows an overview near the top, and just below that you'll find the main price chart. Give it a second to load. Once it appears, you should see the default time frame and chart style provided by the app. The chart is where you can visually confirm recent price movement and trend direction at a glance. If your chart looks sparse or doesn't load, verify that you entered a valid symbol and that your data permissions support the instrument you're viewing. Some securities may display delayed data depending on your account settings. That's it. Open the app, use the search at the top right, enter the symbol you want, and scroll down to see the chart. With these steps, you can quickly bring up a live or delayed view of market action and be ready to proceed with your analysis.